In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Roblox UI navigation. So for example, I'm playing Roblox and then suddenly the UI navigation appears and you can't move anything. Here's what you need to do. So first, you need to press the escape on your laptop, and in here, the option help will appear. So under the mist, you will see the UI selection toggle. So all you need to do is click on the backlash or the slash. So go back to your game and then click that backlash. So I'll be clicking the backlash in my keyboard, and there you go. You can now start playing again, or you can start moving the avatar again. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.